You can split text in one column into different or multiple columns by few clicks. To do so, select your text, click on Data. Under Data Tools, choose Text to Columns. Make sure to select Delimited option in Original Data Type and click Next. Here you must identify the delimiters. In this case, it's space and comma. It might be in your case semicolon or tab or other. If it's other, you must enter it. And make sure that you selected Treat Consecutive Delimiters as one. And before you click Next, check that Data Preview shows you the data as you wish. In this case, the names will be cut into two or split into two like this. Click Next. And here we're going to select the destination. Click on the arrow. Select where you want the text to be split. Click again. Click Finish. There is already data here. You can click OK. And the magic is done.